coming to visit soon. Look at our house. There are toys, books, and blocks everywhere. Don't worry, Ba. I'll help you. Let's clean together. Clean up, clean up. Come and help today. Clean up, clean up. Let's put things away. Toys on the floor, toys on the floor. Let's put them away. One by one, into the basket today. Clean up, clean up. Everything looks neat. Clean up, clean up. Now our room is sweet. Books on the floor, books on the floor. Let's place them on the shelf. One by one, I can do it myself. Blanket straight, pillow nice. Teddy on the bed. Everything looks so clean, just like Ba said. Plates on the table, plates on the table. Let's put them away. Wipe the table, wipe the table. It shines today. Clean up, clean up. Look how nice it is. Clean up, clean up. Now let's blow a kiss. Thank you, Sim. You did a wonderful job. Helping at home makes everyone happy. Helping hands, working happily. Helping hands, just for you and me. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. We did it today. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Hip, hip, hooray. Clean house, happy hearts will help every day. Bye-bye.